Good morning. I just got a computer right in the back there from a business. They tried turning it on, heard a pop, tried changing the power supply, and that didn't work, so I'm gonna give it a shot, and hopefully we can get it working this afternoon. All right, finally off work. It's 2:15. I've got an appointment to replace that window regulator on that van. So I'm gonna go do that. And then I also I have a computer that I need to fix. And then I have one more thing. Oh, I should be getting some parts for the truck today, but then I got an email this morning saying that it just shipped today and that it'll be here on the 19th, which doesn't make any sense because I'm pretty sure I had a tracking number. I know I'm getting something today, I just don't know what it is. Well, I see one package. All right, this is the motorcycle part. I forgot I ordered that. So the motorcycle part we can fix, the clutch safety switch. So maybe we'll do that later tonight. And it doesn't look like we got anything else that's good. Let's see, we got rewards, do not discard for the wife, and something from Desert Rivers. It's just my 6-month statement, is all. Nothing fun. All right, let's get on to some other jobs. I also remembered what the other thing was. Needs a little bit of lubrication. About as good as it's gonna get, I bet. Now we gotta move the Corvette, move the Jeep, so I can pull this van in here.
What's up, bro?
Oh, hey, Steve. Or not
What's
Steve.
What's going on, dude?
Pete. How's it going, Pete? All right, back to this. That was Pete. My friend Pete, your friend Pete, that was Pete. Link to his YouTube channel in the description. Well, that took a really long time. It took about 2 hours to do the window regulator on that car. A lot of it was me just, I wouldn't say learning how to do it, but like I got some of it put back together and then I'm like, oh right, I gotta put this on first. It's just a bunch of steps you have to take in the correct order to be able to replace that window regulator. Anyway, it's all fixed. It's a pain in the butt, but it's fixed. Just got done making dinner, eating dinner, and then we watched part of The Amazing Spider-Man, the first one. Now I'm back in the shed. Oh dang, I forgot it. I have the neutral safety switch to put on my bike. All right, brand new clutch safety switch has been installed. Now to make sure it works. Works. Sweet. Next thing is this computer. After much diagnosis, I've determined that there's something bad in this computer, and it's not the power supply. Seriously, it's been like an hour and a half. So now I'm putting together all the stuff that I got out, putting my stuff away, like my New Year's resolution, like I said, which consists of all this stuff. All of this stuff. Everything's in a pile, and I'm not gonna put this stuff away tonight, even though I should, but usually it goes in my son's closet. I don't wanna wake him up, so I'm gonna do it tomorrow when he's at school. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Did a lot today, and I wanna thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos, thanks for subscribing. We'll talk to you tomorrow.